This video will show you how to adjust the 416283 dual flush button on a Caroma toilet tank. This is the Oblong button kit. If you push down on the dual flush button and it doesn't properly engage the flush, it could be that the button simply needs to be adjusted. When you push the buttons on the top of the Caroma toilet tank, they're connected to a rod below the tank lid that presses on the buttons at the top of the flush valve. So the rods must be at the right height or they won't be able to properly actuate the flush. Fortunately, this is a really easy maintenance. Remove the lid and have a look at the back side of the button kit. You can see in this example that the right rod is considerably shorter than the left, so it isn't properly connecting with the flush valve. There's a small locking nut at the base of each button rod. Turn it counterclockwise to unlock the rod. Then you simply have to turn the rod to lengthen or shorten it as needed. Once the rod is the right length, go ahead and tighten that locking nut to hold the rod in place. Then simply place the tank lid back onto the tank and test the flush. If the button now accurately hits the flush valve and easily activates the flush, you're done. If it still isn't quite right, you can go back and make another adjustment until you're happy. If you have any questions about this or any Caroma products, please just give us a call. You can reach our customer service team at 1-800-460-7019 Monday to Friday from 8 to 4:30 Pacific Time, or email us at help@sustainablesolutions.com.